Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. So welcome to today's session. In this session, we will discuss chapter 4 and the name of this chapter is Beginning of Human Life. Okay, so as you see the picture of primitive man's meaning which means early human being. Okay, so you understand what will we discuss? Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the primitive mans and inventions done by the primitive mans. Okay, and we will discuss how they manage everything, how they eat, how they live, and how they develop their skills. Okay, so in if we come back of early life, the life of that time is very difficult because every day the human being go here and there in search of food and basic things, so they have no permanent residence for living. Okay, so the life of the early man is very tough, and there is a very but you see there is a major difference between the early man, the life of the early man, and the life of the modern man. Okay, so let's start. There are evidence of the prehistoric life of man and tell us about the changes which have come in his life over the year. The process of evolution of man has taken millions of the years. So evidence means proof. So which means there are many proofs that tell us there were many problems and there were many changes in the life, because we have no in this modern time we have not go for search of food and we have a permanent residence. Okay, so this change is not taken a few months or few years, like 10 years, 100 years. It takes millions of years. So this type of changes take the time of millions of years. Okay, so we get information about the early life of man by the tools and weapons found. So with the help of the tools and the weapons, we get the information about the early life. Okay, which type of activities they done with the tools. Okay, this has been named as stone by the historians, and this has been further subdivided into 3 stages. So they named how, let's see कि उन्होंने उसको ऐसे नेम दिया, हम देखेंगे कैसे. तो फर्स्ट दे डिवाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. तो फर्स्ट एज इज old stone age. In this old stone age, the primitive man was a hunter and a gatherer of food. Okay, so then the middle age and in the stone age, so slowly he developed. Okay, he start farming. Okay, so primitive man was a hunter and gatherer who hunted animals, fish and bird for food. So the early man hunted and gathers the animals like fish and birds for food. Okay, he also used fruits, vegetables, leaves and roots of plant of that region, कि जहाँ पर वो रहते थे वहाँ का वो fruits, vegetables, leaves, roots सब जो थे वो खाने में यूज़ करते थे. मैन गेन नॉलेज एंड स्किल एज ही ट्राई टू ओवरकम द स्किल्स डिफ़िकल्टीज इन हिज लाइफ, एंड एज द passes the time he developed his skills. Okay, he has knowledge, he gained knowledge about the overcome of the difficulties, and he explored the different trees and plants. Okay, so he also learned whether the plants and fruits were edible means eatable. Okay, medicinals are poisonous mean to kill person. So they in the early time they have no language for the communication. So how give this information about the trees? So they use sign language. Slowly he developed sign language, and with the help of sign language he tells the their मतलब it means कि they tell about that the leaves or the fruits were edibles are poisonous. So he moved from place to place in search of food and gradually started settling near river as water as essential for survival. So he moved place to place in search of food, but when he know about the basic needs like water, when they know about the basic needs, they settle near the rivers. Okay, so in this picture you see how primitive man can changes into modern man. Okay, this is the picture. This one is the picture. You see in this picture how primitive man changes into modern man. Okay, so next, and the first invention of the primitive man is tools and weapons. Okay, the major part of information that we have about the primitive man is obtained from the tools which he used. The different tools were made from stone, wood, and bones, which were used for different activities. Okay, the varieties in tools also indicate the kinds of activities an early man was engaged in. So in so different type of tools. Okay, so different type of tools give us the information about the primitive mans ki which type of activities done by them, and in this picture you also see this picture, tools and weapons of primitive mans. This is the picture. So out of the various tools, some were used for cutting and crushing, and some were used as spears, bows, and arrows. Okay, so apart from hunting, the tools were also used for making huts and shelters. So with the help of these tools and weapons, we know about the settles. Because with the help of these tools we know about the early man making huts and shelters for them. Okay, so this type of informations are we have this type of information from the tools and weapons. And next, discovery of fire. Discovery of fire is also invention of the primitive man. Whenever the archaeologists have found remnants of the early man's shelters, evidence of the ash have also been found. Evidence, I tell you, evidence means proof. Okay, so the proof of the ash, by this we can know they used fire. Early men used for fire, cook to raw food, protect from the wild animals, and in the winter season fire is also for the warmth and give the light. Okay, so from this we can know they used fire. So in the early time, the invention of the fire done by the early man. So the invention of wheel, and the invention of wheel is most important and revolutionary invention in the history of the mankind, because it changes the life of man. Okay, it changes the life of early man, and it also changes life of modern man. Okay, so the first thing it means the things of various ways in which we use the wheel in our day-to-day life. So we see the buses, scooters, cars. Okay, and the road. So the first thing came to in my mind, without the invention of the wheel the transportation is not possible in our day-to-day life. Wheel play important role in our life. Okay, so because our life has become speedy and easy by the use of wheel, so the invention of the wheel made transport faster and easier for men, and also brought about a major changes in way of living. Imagine what other evolutionary changes were possible in man's life because of the invention of the wheel. So the revolutionary changes in the life of man is the it makes our life speedy and easy. Okay, so we can't imagine our life without transport, and transportation is not possible without the wheel. So this is the most important and revolutionary changes because it changed life of the early man also. So students, in this session, we will discuss and we will learn about the primitive mans and the three inventions of the primitive mans or early man. And the three inventions of the early mans are tools and weapons, invention of the fire, and invention of the wheel. So it is enough for today. So we will discuss and we will continue this chapter in the next session. Okay, so thanks for watching.